Right, question 30. Work out A, the value of A. 4 cos A equals 3 over 4 or 3/4. So 4 times cos A equals 3 over 4. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide this side by 4. And we're going to divide this side by 4 as well. So how are we going to do that? Well, if you remember from fractions, 3 over 4 divided by 4 over 1 is the same as 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 4. So we can stick in a 1 over 4 there like that. And the 4's cancel here, and we're left with cos A equals 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and 4 times 4 is 16. So to get A, then we're going to get cos inverse. A equals cos inverse 3 over 16. And now put the calculator, shift on the cos key then to give cos inverse, and fraction key 3 on top, 16 below. Close the bracket. Oh, close the bracket. I forgot to close the bracket, but it doesn't matter. I think I got A equals 79.193, so I'll leave it there at 19 degrees, rounded to 2 decimal places. Now we can check that by going 4 multiplied by cosine 79.19, close brackets, press equals, and I get 0.7502. So that looks good.